In this video, I would love to show you how the Agile methods, for example, Kanban or Scrum, are related to the Agile values and principles. Agile is a set of values, principles, and methods. In a dedicated video, we talk about what the values are. We talk about what the principles are. And now how it is all connected together. We will talk about it in this video. So as a refresher, what are values? Values are something that we consider important. In Agile, we define what do we value more than something else. We value, for example, interaction and collaboration over processes and tools. Okay. What are the principles? The 12 principles. If you don't remember any of them, I suggest you pause for a while, get back to the other video that describes the 12 principles of Agile. Okay. For example, as a refresher again, what the principles are, it's we could say it's the fundamental truth that serves as a foundation. What is the fundamental truth? The 12 fundamental truths. For example, frequent software delivery is a fundamental truth of Agile. One of the 12 principles, frequent delivery of software. Okay, and value could be, for example, working software. Okay, working software over or more. Working software is more than extensive, comprehensive documentation. Okay, so working software, and here frequent delivery. Now the question is how it is linked together with the methods. What does it mean? Okay, so let me use the example of frequent delivery of software, and we will connect the dots. Okay, so say here we have one of the principles, frequent delivery. In values, we say that working software is valued more than extensive, comprehensive documentation. And now, what does it really mean? Say with Kanban, or what does it mean with Scrum? So Kanban and Scrum are two methodologies, the most popular methodologies in the Agile setup. We can talk a little about the others, but we will focus on these two, especially in this video. Okay, so if you think about working software, if we think about frequent delivery, with Kanban, it literally means that you continuously deliver. Okay, you have a Kanban board, and you are encouraged to move a task from one to another and then deploy. As soon as it's deployed, boom, it's done. A box is ticked. The code is shipped to a customer. It's shipped to production. We have shipped code. So we have frequent delivery, maybe on a daily basis. So say it could be daily. This is also connected to DevOps, because this is how DevOps emerged. We will talk about it in a different video. DevOps tries to automate so that we can ship new code on a daily basis, or even 10 times a day, even 100 times a day, because everything is automated with in DevOps environment. With Scrum, it actually means that we have a timeline, and we have say 2 weeks. This is 2 weeks. This is 2 weeks. This is 2 weeks. So we have 2 week long sprints. So this is sprint, and this is again another sprint. And this is another sprint, and at the end of a sprint, we ship code to production. We deploy to production. So the frequent delivery in two different methodologies means, or using two different methodologies means two different things. With Kanban, we ship continuously, we ship daily, we ship as soon as it is finished. With Scrum, we ship at the end of the sprint. Okay, so now you see how the dots connect with Kanban, with Scrum, with the value. Okay, the value is working software over comprehensive documentation. The principle is frequent delivery. We value working software, so we want to deliver, we want to ship it frequently. And how frequently? Well, Kanban says continuously, daily, if you can, every hour. With Scrum, at the end of every sprint, which could be every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, but there is some cadence, okay? So now you see how these dots are connected. We will talk about Kanban, we will talk about Scrum in the next videos, so stay tuned. I think we will start with Kanban.